boys and girls, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna draw a very nice beach drawing, and we're gonna go ahead and make sure we have our paper and our pencil to go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a wonderful type of line, and this line is a wavy line, and it's gonna look just like this. It's gonna go across my page just like you see here on the screen, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw that now. Next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to draw the sun. So you want to make a nice big circle for the sun, and you can put lines all around it to signify the sun rays. And you also want to make sure you draw some clouds. So go ahead and do that. You can add as many clouds as you would like. Go ahead and draw a vertical line. That's a line that looks like the one that's here on the screen. It goes up and down. Next, I'll draw a horizontal line and then a diagonal line. This is going to be a little boat in the water. I'm adding a triangle to be my little flag for my sailboat. Now we went ahead and we created our beach drawing. Now I'm just going to take my time here and trace the lines that I drew with a pencil. I'm tracing them with a black marker so that everything can stand out a whole lot more. Remember, if I'm going too fast, that you can go ahead and pause the video and you can go back whenever you need to so that you can get your drawing done. Once I'm done tracing everything, I'm going to go ahead and fill in all the color on my artwork. The ocean water is blue, the sky is another kind of blue, the sand is brown, the clouds are white, and the sun is yellow. Your boat can be whatever color you would like. Okay, keep that in mind. Alright, so when I'm ready, I'm going to start coloring. Boys and girls, we're all done with our beach day drawing. So this is what it looks like. My sky is a nice bright blue, the sun is yellow, the clouds are white, and my boat, I chose to color it like a black/gray color. My water is blue and my sand is brown. That is what my artwork looks like. Yours is going to look different than mine because you're an amazing artist and you have your own art style. So make sure that you have fun when you're drawing, and of course, always believe in what you can do. Okay? We'll see you next time. Bye.